Welcome to Buysellvouchers. In this video, we will guide you through the process of purchasing Free Fire diamonds. Let's begin. Once you logging into the Buysellvouchers website, you can either use the search function to find your desired product, or navigate through the menu bar. For instance, if you click on Games in the menu, you will find a comprehensive list of available games product on our site. As for this demonstration, click on Free Fire. You can see various Free Fire products listed, each offered by different sellers. Take your time to choose the specific Free Fire Diamonds product that suits your preferences. Once you've made your selection, click on it to access the product page. On the product page, you will find detailed information such as product description, reviews, pricing, and seller information. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Buy Now button. Next, select your preferred payment method and click Buy. Now, please be patient for a moment as your order is processed. Within a few seconds, your order will be confirmed, and you will receive an email containing the product link. Click on this link to access and view your purchased product. Congratulations! You have successfully acquired Free Fire Diamonds through Buysellvouchers. Thank you for choosing Buysellvouchers.